Hello students, this video is made for you or your exam. I will prepare one more video for your exam. So please press the bell icon to get the notification of next video and also subscribe my channel. So let's do the revision for our syllabus. MCQs on basic chemistry. Question first. Chemical bond formed by sharing of valence electrons between the atom of a same or a different element is called. Sharing word indicates that there is a covalent bond, hence answer is the covalent bond. Then here is the some collective information for you. There is a bond and a keyword. Then if there is a word sharing in the question, then there must be a covalent bond. If gain or loss is there or a transfer of electron is there, then there is electrovalent bond, or it is also called as a ionic bond. Then if there is a word lone pair, then that indicates that there is a coordination bond. If there is an intermolecular force of attraction, then there is a hydrogen bond. And if there is a word electron C, then there is the metallic bond. So please memorize these things. These things are very important for your exam. Next question. What is the coordination number of a body centered cube? And that is 8. Hence answer C is correct. The number of atom per unit cell in a hexagonal close packed unit cell. Then 6, and answer A is correct. Next, this is the collective information again for you. The structure and coordination number. Simple cube having coordination number 6. Body centered cube having coordination number 8. Face centered cube having coordination number 12. Hexagonal close packed having coordination number 12. Next, this is also collective information. Structure and number of atoms. Simple cubic having number of atom 1. Body centered cube number of atom 2. Face centered cube number of atom 4. And hexagonal close packed having number of atom 6. Please memorize these things. These things are very important for your exam. Next question. An electrostatic force of attraction that exists between the metal ion and valence electrons is known as. The answer of this question is D, that is metallic bond. Next question. Hydrogen bond occurs in. Answer is none of them. Next. Solids having regular and long range order between the atom or ions or molecules are known as. The answer is the C, crystalline solid. Next. This is the again collective information for you. The examples of different bonds. The covalent bond having a number of examples: Cl2 molecule, H2O molecule, O2 molecule, CO2 and N2. These are the examples of covalent bond. Then next, electrovalent bond: NaCl, MgO, CaCl2. These are the examples of electrovalent bond, or it is also called as ionic bond. Then coordination bond: SO2, NH4 plus and SO3. These are the examples of coordination bond. Next, hydrogen bond: HF, bond between the alcohol like ROH. Then H2O, the bond between the ammonia and water molecule. These are the examples of hydrogen bond. And van der Waals force of attraction, HCl, bond between the H and Cl, is called as force of attraction, and this is the van der Waals force of attraction. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is our ionic crystalline solid? These sodium chloride, magnesium oxide and calcium fluoride all are the electrovalent compound. Hence all of these are the ionic crystalline solid. Hence answer is D, all of these. Next, glass is a supercooled liquid. Next, in the carbon atom has a regular tetrahedral geometry. Answer is A. In a diamond, the carbon has a regular tetrahedral geometry. Next, corrosion is of metals. Answer is oxidation. Corrosion is oxidation of metal. Next, wet corrosion occurs with the corrosion at anodic part. Next, Which of the following metal forms a porous metal oxide? And the answer is sodium, Na. Okay, next, the chemical composition of rust, that is Fe2O3 into X H2O molecule. This is the formula for rust. Next, zinc is more dash dash than Fe. Zinc is more corrosive than Fe. Next, iron or steel is dash dash with respect to copper. Answer is anodic. Iron and steel is anodic with respect to copper. Next, foodstuff should not be stored in the container made up of. Answer is galvanized iron. Okay. Next, a galvanic cell is formed. How galvanic cell is formed? Answer is B. When two different metals are immersed in the electrolyte solution, then galvanic cell is formed. Next, ionization of electrolytes dash dash on increasing the dilution. The ionization of electrolytes increases on increasing the dilution. Okay, next, dash dash is a non-electrolyte. Sugar, urea, glucose, all of these are non-electrolyte. Hence, answer is a D. Which of the following undergoes dissociation? NaCl, Na2SO4 and NaOH. All of these compounds are electrovalence compound, and they are, when dissolved in water, it split up and form two types of ions. It is called as dissociation. Hence, all of these compounds are undergo dissociation. Next, which of the following is inert to oxidation? Answer is a D. Platinum is inert to oxidation. Next, dash dash is the process in which electrochemical energy bring out the chemical changes. These are the processes: electroplating, electropolishing and electrorefining. All of these processes in which electrical energy bring out the chemical changes. Hence answer is D. Next, in an electrorefining process, the pure metal is taken at the cathode. Hence answer is B. The cell that cannot be recharged are called primary cell, and the cell which can be recharged are called secondary cell. Okay, next, preparation of ammonia, Haber's process. In this process, iron is used as a catalyst and molybdenum is used as a promoter. Memorize these two things for your exam. Next, preparation of nitric acid. In Ostwald's process, platinum is used as a catalyst. Next, in the preparation of Cl2, that is chlorine, CuCl2 used as a catalyst. In the preparation of H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, V2O5, vanadium pentoxide is used as a catalyst. In the preparation of hydrogen H2, Ni, nickel is used as the catalyst. Okay, all these things are keep in mind for your exam and do well in the exam. All the best all of you, and if you like this video, please share it, like it and subscribe it. Thank you.